Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support, and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications, which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. In this video, we'll see a free accounting course that is offered by Tata Consultancy Services. So they are offering this free course through their TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. So the original price of this course is 345, but now it is available for free of cost. And the total duration of this course is 1.5 hours. And as you can see here, the title is Accounting Fundamentals. And the language of the course will be, of course, English. And this is a completely online self-paced course, so you can just learn at your own pace. And here they have listed out what are the things that you'll be learning in this course. So basically they have divided this course into 3 sections. Section 1 is Introduction to Accounting, where you will learn about the basic concepts of accounting cycle, double entry system of accounting, account classification and assumptions. And the second section is Accounting Assumptions, Principles and Concepts. And as you can see in the title, it will cover the principles of accounting, modifying principles. And the third section will be overview of financial statements. This module will cover final accounts, income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. And the duration for each module will be around 30 minutes. And after completing this course, you can also get a free certificate like this from TCS. And this certificate comes with a unique ID as well, so you can attach it to your resume. It will be very helpful. So now let me just tell you how you can enroll in this course. So first of all, you need an account in this platform. For that, just click on login and then click on create account, and it will take you to a page like this. And here just fill in all your details and click on create account. And in the next section, you have to agree to their terms and conditions. Just do that. And once you are logged into your account, you can simply click on this subscribe button and enroll in the course. So I hope you'll definitely find this course very useful. If you would like to get more updates on online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.